Hello everyone. I, Ms. Bhavana Danesh Munod, welcome you all in Agricultural Development Trust, Shardabai Pawar, Mahila Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sharda Nagar, Baramati. We were studying last period regarding personal skills, creativity, and regular practice. So we were studying about relationship between art and management. Now come to the fourth point, that is personal abilities. Now, see, abilities of every person are different. Everyone will have different abilities and skills. So, manager has to use his or her own abilities. So, well, coordination, say to coordinate with people, manager has that activity, say he has to talk with people, communicate with people, guide the people to achieve their goals. So manager has to use his own ability skills for coordination with the other people. So it will be labor, it will be top level management, or it will be middle level management, or it will be high level management. All these are working for what? To achieve their goals, to achieve some target. So, personal abilities means every person has different types of abilities and skills. So, here the manager he has to use his own ability to coordinate with people. See, for example, now say suppose I am a manager, I am a middle person. I have to deal with top level also and I have to deal with lower level people also. But if I don't talk with anyone, I am very strict, I have an attitude problem, I will not speak to the people, what will happen? Coordination will not be proper. Now the low level management will come to me, now the staff members, because I don't speak properly, I am too rude. That why people will not come to me, they will be afraid of me. So when if people will not come to me, they will not talk to me, how I will know their problems and how I will remove the solutions in a company if I am working. So to that, manager should what he do? He should coordinate with people, communicate with people to achieve the goals because teamwork is more important. When you have teamwork, personal abilities is there. That means teamwork. If he builds any manager who manages his team very properly and efficiently, children, that particular business runs very smoothly, functionally, and successful. So here, manager what has to do? Maintain personal abilities, maintain that skill. He should coordinate with lower staff members as well as top level management. He should do this because with these abilities, manager can achieve his goal. Thus, from the above discussion, that means what above 4 points we have studied. What should be the manager? He should be creative and skilled like an artist. So, manager should follow these points: personal skills, creativity, regular practice, personal abilities. Now, come to the next, that management as a science. See, we studied about management as an art, and art people what they are telling that we should require skills and talent to show, to perform, to have new creative innovative ideas so we can achieve through our goal. Better performance will be there. Now come to the next point, that management as a science. Now see, science refers to a systematically organized body of knowledge. So, based on proper findings and exact principles, it is capable of verification. We all know science is what? It is a physical, organized, say, or systematically organized, not physical also, systematically organized body of knowledge. So, what is science? Organized body of knowledge. And it is based on principles, children, and it is capable of verification. So, any knowledge which is scientifically developed and consists of universally accepted principles, it is called as science. Means scientifically, if anything is approved, it is verified from every situation, children. Any knowledge, it is developed and consists of a universally accepted principle is a science. Now, for example, see, just simple example I will tell you. Now this period is pandemic period is related to corona, okay, but during our ancient time, means during our ancient period, the herbs, the spices, in our Indian masala the spices are used, say turmeric, we all know that is from our olden days. Turmeric has been given more importance, And ancient, even if you have seen serials like Ramayana, Mahabharata, if the king was hurt, what they used to do, use turmeric in the medicines. And nowadays scientists also prove, children, scientifically it is proved that turmeric is a good healer. Turmeric, what? Turmeric, that spice. Even during this pandemic period, children, turmeric has been more concentrated by people, a more important factor in medicine and to cure COVID patients. Turmeric has taken a major role. So this is how scientifically, if people also approves, or that particular product is also scientifically approved, then it is more used. And from olden days in India, it has been more important that spices are herbs, are Indian herbs, has a greater importance in Ayurvedic medicines. For example, I am telling, and it is approved now by all scientists, means universally. The whole world has accepted now that turmeric herb or turmeric can be used as a medicine, a good healing factor. Anyway, for any diseases, good healer. So this is called as science, means everyone agrees with that thing. Then it is universally accepted principle. So for example, we can tell physics, chemistry, these are what we all know. We have subjects, physics, chemistry is related to science. So in organization, managers has to use various techniques, theories to stimulate the people. Stimulate means what? Guide. Every time give them instructions regarding quality. So you have to guide the people for quality output, such as it will be planning will be there, motivation will be there, direction will be there, and control, etc. These things are required to stimulate, means what? To guide the people. Why we have to guide? Why the manager has to guide the people? To have better results, so that the quality, whatever labor is working, also get better results, from best results from the labor, get best workout from the. Now a teacher, how teacher will manage science in a classroom? So when a teacher gives efficient teaching, when a teacher gives more motivation, she is more motivated, she gives her whole dedication to the classroom, teaches her students very nicely, what will happen, children? The results will be more better of students, percentage will be increasing more better. So that is giving your 100% quality. So outputs such as planning, motivation, direction, control, etc., it comes under science. So universally, it gives the results in similar direction. Therefore, management can also be termed as a science, children. See, last lecture we studied about management as an art. Now we have seen science. Science is what? Systematic body knowledge. So in that we all know physics, chemistry are subject. But how in management you will tell how we will use science? So in management, the science will be like you plan the things, you motivate the people, you do theoretical, whatever techniques are there, do some theory part, do some research. How you can make your workers more work, or how you can make them concentrate on working, and they will give best results in quality production. This science you have to use when you're managing any organization, children. So we are studying whether management is an art, whether management is a science, or management is as a profession. So we will study the relation how management can be science. So, the relation between science and management can be studied with the help of the following points, children. So, we'll see what are the following points related to science and management. Now, the first point is systematic body of knowledge. Now, systematic body of knowledge means what? Science, we all know. It is based on systematic experiments, rules, and principles. So, management principles and functions are also based on the experiments, which can be studied through different management theories and approaches introduced by various management thinkers. So, see, science is based on systematic experiments or rules. So, management principles and functions are also based on the experiments, which can be studied through different management theories and approaches introduced by various management thinkers. Now, the first relation we are mentioning about what? Science and management. So the first one is what? Systematic body of knowledge. So when systematic body of knowledge will be when we use certain principles and theories. So in this thing, the management is what? Using various types of principles for functioning. So he will have different kinds of experiments in his organization to have proper functioning of the management, or say any organization. They will use different types of theoretical principles and approaches. Like for example, now see, workers are there now to have a discipline in labors, to have punctuality in labors. For example, I'm telling you, now what has happened, a company is there, so every staff member should come on time, be punctual. The manager will have some planned policies regarding this. Theoretical he will make. So theoretical will be what? Related to, he will have what? You come 1 day late, remark, your half day will be there, or your salary, half salary will be deducted. Like that planning, if the manager does, he will have discipline regarding punctuality in his organization. Just a simple example I am giving. Then the further points we'll study in next lecture, children.